install the latest version of Node.js, but using the Node version manager. This is good for your environment because this lets you to control the version of the node that you're using, and it's not locking you to use only one version of Node. It's good for legacy codes and some legacy dependencies that need you to use, for instance, Node version 12 or something, so you can quickly change the version that you're using. So first of all, we need to install Node version manager, and I will put the link in the description below. Yeah, so let's see how we're going to install it. So you have two options, using the curl command or the wget. I will use the curl. So we're just going to paste it down here. Let's see. It's taking some time. Okay, so that's it. It was the installation got complete. For me, it says NVM is already installed, but it's the same. It's just installing the NVM, and that's it. The next thing that you need to do is to copy this line of code, 2 lines of code. Actually, it's a bash command to your ZSRC. I'm using 2021 MacBook Pro, so I'm having the M1 processor, so I'm going to be using the ZSRC. Let's see if I have it. So there's no such file or directory. So first of all, I need to create this file. Now let me just edit it. All I need to do is just copy this 2 lines of code, save it, and that's it. Now, when you restart the terminal, it should be automatically loaded. So let's see NVM. Yeah, you see we have the NVM command. Now we need to install some version of Node.js. So we have the install command. Download and install a version, uses .nvmrc if available, and version is omitted. So basically what it says that you can download some version of Node.js, and we'll just look in a sec what is the latest one. But for your local environments, you can include a .nvmrc file in the root directory that you want to use a specific version of Node, and NVM automatically will detect this file and will change the version of Node specifically for this directory. So first of all, let's head up to Node.js website and see the current one is 18. This is the latest features, and we have 16.17.0. That is the recommended. This is the LTS. So let's just install this one. Yeah, so you see, creating default alias, default at 16. So let's see if we'll install another version of Node, let's say 12. Then we have the default one. This will be the 16. So your system will know that the version 16 is the default and not the 12. But you have 2 directories for Node. Oops. So right now it uses Node 12 because this is the last one that I installed. But as you can see, Inside .nvm directory we have versions, then node, and then we have the version. So let's see what other versions that we have. So as you can see, we have 16.17.0 and 12.22.12. And that's it. I think you can do nvm ls. Yeah. So we have the default one. No, we have the current one for this session. So we have 12 because this is the last one that we installed, and we have the default one. This is the 16. So if I will close this terminal and I'll open it again, and you'll see that the version of Node, the default version is 16. And that's it for installing Node.